Hello and welcome once again. My name is Rishi Gupta and welcome to my channel StudiesNMore. So today we'll be learning and I'll be sharing some information on Java programming where I'll be creating Java table with a GUI that would be Java swings and other packages which will help you to develop a more dynamic and user-friendly table. So let's begin. I'll be importing some Java AWT class or AWT container java.awt.body layout. I'll be using Java swing, so I have to add X at the end of Java. I'll be using JTable. Okay. String, I'll be using JScrollPane and JFRAME, where our table will be displayed. I'll be declaring my class name as single channel. I have created a file. So to run your Java program, you have to name the class name of the program same as the file name. So that would be public class single channel. Okay. Let's begin with the public static main class. Okay. So initially we'll be declare the frame object. Inside that we'll be adding few records. Let's begin with JFrame. We'll be setting the object name as F, new JFrame, and I'll be passing the heading as user information. Okay. So next what we're doing will be setting some default close operation where you'll be while clicking on the cross button of the frame the windows get closed. Set default close operation, and we'll be passing the parameter JFrame.exit on close. Yeah. Okay, now we'll be adding container. Container will be holding all the static and dynamic variables in the program and records. So I'm creating the object as content and also passing the frame name as an object with parameter get content pane. All the records will be displayed over frame of content. Okay, yeah. So after creating the content, we have to create the rows and columns parameter. That would be object rows and we'll be passing some attributes. I'll be sharing few names and ages and last name details display on the record, that is a table record. Okay. First row will be regarding name, so Rishi, last name Gupta, and the age. Okay. You have to close you have to close by curly braces after every record, and please make sure that you do not put semicolon at the end. You have to put semicolon at the end of the set of the records. So let's include few more details. Alex, Fernando, age would be 19, mom China, Rapport, and we should be 21. Okay, so this will be my last record. What I'll be doing here, I have to close the table or rows parameter by here, and I have to continue with my new panel, that would be object columns. So I'll be creating using the object class and adding the object name, that would be columns. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be passing the column name here. The first column would be my first underscore name, second would be last name, so here I'll be passing last name, and the third would be my age. Okay, age. After creating the column parameter, the columns are been defined, and now we have to create the scroll pane. Since if you might have any, a lot of records like 800, 500, 200 or 100 or whatever, so you can scroll to the right side of the window bar and check the records. Therefore I'm creating, first of all, to create the table, JTable. I'm naming it as the object as J, new JTable, passing the values rows and column. Columns, the column name should be same of the initially declared above. Let's create the scroll pane. Scroll pane is not initially required, it's just an extra if you have any records which are used in big data or anything else for great project or large project. You can use scroll pane, it will be helpful. Okay, I'm declaring the object as JP and scroll pane, and I'm passing the J, that is the JFRAME. The frame you have to pass. On this frame, the table records and column with the scroll pane will be added to it. Okay, so now let's to add the content. If you don't pass this parameter, that nothing will be shown. Okay, the comma border layout. Now I have to put the layout at the center, so I'll be passing center as a parameter, and I'll be setting the size as 800 by 200. Yeah, you have to set the visibility as true, or you can pass false as true. Okay, yeah, the true is not the object name, since you have to put it in a small value. Okay, it's showing some error. Let me see. Okay, so we are done with the program. Now let's compile and run. It's asking for some. Okay, there's an error. Let's see what the error is. Assign GUI. The class name is absolutely fine, so what's the error? Let's see. Duplicate class single channel. Let's save the file first. Okay, what I'll be doing now is I'll be changing the name table. Let's create a new file. There's an issue regarding it's overriding the package, and therefore I'll be creating a new Java class. So the error was inside this parameter, the JSCodePen, you have to add the table object name and not the frame name. Therefore, the table object or keyword overrided the table frame name. Therefore, I'm adding table name, that table object name, that is J. And now let me compile and run this program. Yeah, so here you can see you're getting table with first name, last name, age, and 3 records in it. You'll be not able to view the scroll pin right now since the records are very few. However, let me try. Yeah, so while minimizing it to an extent, I can see the scroll pin right here. So if you have a record of a lot of, thousands, hundreds, so you can add scroll pin and you can use the scroll pin accordingly. So thank you very much. This is Rishi Gupta. Hope you like the video. I'll be sharing the source code with you in the description. If you have any doubts, please mail me, ping me on Instagram and mail me at StudiesNMore@gmail.com. I'll be sharing few more videos regarding Java and programming applications, and next video will be also for masters. How I did my IELTS, how was it, how was my interview, what did I do, what I avoided, and henceforth. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. This is Rishi Gupta signing off.